So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to expand network adapters. So you want to double click on it, which will then expand it. And now you want to look for something that's called Remote NDIS Base Network Sharing. I don't have it because I'm using a virtual machine, but in your case, you're going to have something called Remote NDIS Base Network Sharing. And now once you find that, you want to right click on it, and then click on Update Driver, and then click on Browse My Computer for drivers. And then click on every pick from a list. And now you want to untick Show Compatible Hardware. And now all of this will come up. And now you're going to scroll down under manufacturer until you find Microsoft. Here it is. You're going to click on Microsoft. And now once you've selected Microsoft, now you're going to scroll down until you find USB RNDIS 6 adapter. Make sure that has 6 on the end. So there's 2 of them. You want to select the one that has 6 on the end. And now you want to click on Next. And now you want to install this. I'm not going to install it for me personally because I'm not on Remote NDIS based network sharing. I'm using a different network adapter. But in your case, you want to click on Yes. And now once you install that, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.